Oh my God, you guys, do you know what that is? That's the first rain we've seen, any significant rain this year. It's, I don't care to see it. I'd rather never have rain. Our grass keeps growing here whether we get rain or not, being right on the river. It's, but unfortunately, the tree guys, even the daughter-in-law today said they were scammers. They were supposed to come back today and finish the tree, and they didn't. But hey, on the plus side, see that spot right, let me get my finger in the right spot, right there. That piece right there was the part that was threatening our house. That's the piece he roped off and dropped and shook the whole tree. But anyways, it's gone, so a big threat to us anymore. But still, they were scammers, they believe. Apparently, her calling them scammers means they probably already paid them. Bad idea. And we have thunderstorms forecast for today and tonight. And what, you know, that means high winds. So if they hit, I'll be filming it. And I'll have my camera sitting right here watching. We'll be back sometime later today. Listen to that. That sounds weird. We just not used to hearing rain. Yeah, it's raining quite hard, guys. And the ground is really, really dry. If anybody runs out the door, so that's on them. Wow. The trees are coming down pretty good. Maybe Tracy thought she was going to have to water plants today. Nope. Well, we'll see how much the river rises, guys, because it's been really weird what's going on with this river the last couple of years. I'm going filming through the screen, that's why it looks kind of crappy, but we'll see how much water ends up on that side, how much it rises from this rain. I'm hoping it goes up and quiets down. It sure makes everything turn nice and green, doesn't it? Well, the heavy rain has let up. You can see that rock sticking out a little bit. There's no doubt the river's going to rise. It should quiet down some of these rapids. So hopefully I can get back to doing some audio recording. We'll have to check on that later or tomorrow. This is the one I need to be quiet. One right in front of my house. Quite a bit of water between that stump and the bank already. There was like nothing earlier. So hang on while I zoom this back out. I'll have to make an edit because I hate the sound this thing makes. Look how green the rain made everything look. At least it did to me. The grass, everything. It went from 81 degrees earlier. I was wearing shorts, tank top, cut some grass, sweating, to now it's 61 degrees and I've got long pants, boots, and a sweatshirt on. That's Michigan for you. And check this out, guys. Tracy's beautiful lilacs are starting to bloom. And these smell so good. So hopefully we'll get a lot of blooms on here. Not looking so good this year. Last year was pretty good. That tree over there has got a few more on it, but don't look like we'll be having a fire tonight though. We'll check in again in a bit. Well guys, here we are about 20 hours after the rain we got yesterday, and now you can see how much the river has risen just from a couple hours of a pretty steady heavy rain and then, I don't know, another hour of light rain. But that rock obviously is way under. Our rock, I'll show you here in a second. You can barely even tell that it's there. Just saw the weather. There's what looks to be torrential rain headed towards us. This is the crap we normally deal with all through April and through May. Like I have said before, usually the water will get way up to here, and that could happen after this rain today. Not fun when that happens. We were spoiled up until this point. Usually this is a really stressful time of the year, and it's becoming so again. I'll check back in. Well, I came out to see how much the river's risen since that last little section you watched that I recorded, I don't know, 9 o'clock this morning, something like that. And Miss Willow's greeting me. And Mr. Onyx is hanging out. Is that Raven? Oh, that's a Mr. Morty. Good boy, Morty. There's a Mr. Casey. It did turn out pretty nice today. There's a Mr. Shadow. Yeah, it's definitely higher. There's no ripple from our rock. I'm going to zoom this in. I'll have to edit out the annoying sound. But that's what one significant rain event can do to this river. It's crazy. It never used to be like this. I've been here all my life. This did not used to happen like this. Something up north of us is affecting us, and no one seems to know what it is. 2 significant rain events, the water would probably be up to the fire pit like I was talking about earlier. But hey, I had the parabolic out last night. I didn't hear nothing, but I did not hear any water noise either, so that's fantastic. Maybe that little thing, it might pick up, but it's way better than it was. I did, however, hear what sounds like an oil well. And over 2 years of doing these recordings, I've never heard this sound. I'll put a little clip of it on here so you can hear what I heard last night. And I got up at 2 o'clock because I was like, yay, finally quiet recording. Turned it back on again at 4 o'clock. That annoying sound was still there. We did not hear it Friday night when we were sitting by the fire. I can't hear it now. I came out and I could hear it with my own ears last night, so hopefully that might have been farm equipment or some kind of something pumping water out of the river. I don't know, but I'll throw that bit on the end here and you guys tell me what you think it is. But it sounds like oil. Sounds like one of the old oil wells we used to have. I can show you that too. I do have a real short clip of that, and this old clip is probably 30 years ago. So I will put that on, and luckily, like I said in the video, the major rain right at noon today, they were showing this area of red headed right towards us, and it missed us. So very happy for that. And there's a sassy cat, our oldest kitty. Hi, sassy cat. She's getting skinny, guys. It's a little concerning, but she is 14 years old. So thanks for watching, and enjoy this old clip of the oil well.